What is branding and how to manage your brand's image? We are a part of worldwide consumer movement that forces companies to think carefully at every step. Each marketing strategy and action can echo in every corner of the city, state and country or even the world. Not only that, the market and many of its competitors are understanding that you don't create results overnight. You achieve them with a coherent and relevant strategy. In short, this is the job of managing a brand. The biggest companies in the world have been working on this strategy. When you read the phrase just do it, you know which company is running that advertisement, right? It's wrong to believe that only large companies use this strategy or that they suddenly built it. Everything is a part of a complex management process that does not bring immediate results. It produces lasting results. Do you want to know more about branding and how to work on it so that your company is not just another one in the market? So keep watching. What is branding? Branding is a way to manage brand strategies of a specific company. This brand management includes long-term planning in addition to creating and managing the elements of your visual identity. All this enhances the perception of your company in consumers' mind. Branding works with the concept that a brand needs to be planned, structured and managed and promoted. All of this process that encompass brand management are part of this work. Ensure that your stakeholders understand your position, increase your relevance in the market, enhance your visibility, make your company have a good reputation before the public. These strategies will allow your company to grow sustainably. Branding means ensuring that your business will grow smartly and lastingly. What is a brand? A brand is not just a logo, a name, or a visual identity. It's a set of feelings and experiences that your audience had and created from your product or service. Such a process is often individual as each person understands your brand differently. This perspective will always be based on each person's social, cultural, and economic context, essentially on their experiences with their company. That's why a branding strategy is essential. You will never have a complete control over how people perceive your company, which means you must differentiate yourself from the competition. You have to create a unique brand that delivers incredible experiences from start to finish. After all, a brand is what differentiates successful companies from many others that are left behind. Why did Nike become one of the largest sports brands in the world? The Just Do It is much more than a tagline and a slogan. It represents management focused on the consumer and their actions. Brands need values, a purpose that guides all their actions. It influences from the conception of a product to its advertising in any communication channel. When that is done, the consumer feels it and your company becomes a market leader, just as Nike is today worldwide. How to do brand management? You may have noticed all the complexity that surrounds a brand. Therefore, managing it is no different. Every company must have many communication channels and professionals involved, from employees to suppliers. Also, you need to attract customers. To achieve this goal, you need to understand right from start who your company is and its values. Your brand needs to have a strong and consistent identity, which will improve communication. That means to leverage and manage the way your audience see what you are building. Finally, your branding strategy must guarantee that you promote your brand to ensure more prominence, making it a market leader. The first step of managing a brand is to step back and understand what it is made of. On what basis was it founded? What does it promise to deliver to the world? What makes it unique? A brand platform is a set of components that allows your customers to connect with it. As a consequence, this helps you to communicate your essence. Purpose, promise, attributes, and positioning are points that any brand should encompass. A purpose is nothing more than its reason for existing. Why does your brand exist? Why was it created? At this stage, it's important to look back at the moment of your company's creation. What was in the minds of its founders? What did they want to change in the market when they created this company? This purpose often comes as a phrase that follows the logo and becomes a tagline or a brand slogan. The purpose of Airbnb, the accommodation marketplace, is to believe that it's possible to have a world where people can belong anywhere. If you don't know your brand's purpose, a good idea would be talk to your employees and consumers. That way, you will understand why they connect with your company and believe it. It becomes easier to get a perfect point for your brand and your story. Remember to listen before creating. The result will always be more authentic. The brand promise works like a manifesto. It's the summary of what you commit to doing so that your purpose becomes a reality. The brand promise is what we often see companies communicating. In turn, the purpose is an internal process of discovering and understanding how you can impact the world. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.